Hello everyone, my name is Pavita, Assistant Professor in CSC Department at RPIIT Campus Bastara Karnal. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academy. If you like the content of this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and save the content. Let's talk today implementation of MIS. Information system called IS that is defined in subparts hardware, software, data, procedure and people. That is defined implementation of MIS and its method. Why MIS? During the growth of competitive global environment, there is a considerable pressures on most organizations to make their operational, tactical and strategical process more efficient and effective. Information system is group of component which can increase the competitiveness and gain better information for decision making. Consequently, main organization decide to implement IS in order to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of their organization. इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम हमारा क्या कहता है, ग्रुप है, हमारा कंपोनेंट है जो क्या करता है, इंक्रीज करता है कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस को और गेन करता है हमारी बेटर इन्फॉर्मेशन को और डिसीजन मेकिंग को. इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम है बिकम मेजर फंक्शंस एरिया ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. द सिस्टम nowadays plays a vital role in the e-business and e-commerce operations, enterprises, collaborations and management and strategy success of the business. मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम हमारा क्या करता है, मेजर फंक्शंस का क्या करता है, रोल प्ले करता है हमारी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में. और सिस्टम जो अब नाउ डेज में हमारे प्ले करता है ये विटल्स रोल को लाइक ई बिजनेस, ई कॉमर्स ऑपरेशंस एंड एंटरप्राइज कोलाब्रेशन में और मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रेटेजिक सक्सेस में. दैट इज डिफाइन द सक्सेस ऑफ बिजनेस. MIS implementation. The implementation of new information system is significant investment for organizations since information system development involves the joint design of activity system and ICT system. This information system implementation process concept is similar to the 5-step process called the information system development life cycle, which include the step of इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सिस्टम हमारे क्या हमारे 5 स्टेप को डिफाइन करता है. ये हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन, एनालिसिस, डिज़ाइन, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन और मेंटेनेंस है जो हमारे डिफाइन करते हैं इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ MIS को. व्हाट इज SDLC? Mainly use a system engineering, information system and software engineering. That is a process of creating or altering information system and the models and methods used to develop the system. SDLC हमारा क्या है, एक प्रोसेस है जो क्रिएट करते हैं, अलर्ट करते हैं इन्फॉर्मेशन सिस्टम को और मॉड्यूल और हमारे मॉडल्स और मेथड को क्या करते हैं, यूज करती है, डेवलप करती है फॉर यूजर यूज के लिए. Stage phases in SDLC: system investigation, system analysis, system design, system development, system implementation, system maintenance. ये हमारे क्या है, SDLC phases हैं हमारे और stage phases हैं हमारे SDLC के. System investigation assesses feasibility and practicality of the system, determine the new system is needed. 5 primary tasks: list problem opportunities and directives, negate primarily scopes, preliminary define the scope, assess project work, plan the project and present the project and plan. System analysis: in-depth study of all system and identifying the new system requirements. That is define system from user view. फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनालिसिस एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल्स को डिफाइन करता है हमारे एनालिसिस प्रोसेस सिस्टम को और फंक्शनल रिक्वायरमेंट एनालिसिस को. सिस्टम डिजाइन: न्यू अल्टरनेटिव सिस्टम, स्पेसिफाइज हाउ द सिस्टम विल अकम्प्लिश द ऑब्जेक्टिव. Consistence of design activities to be implemented that was done early in the system analysis stage. System design consists of 4 major activities that is defined as user interface design, data design, process design and system specifications. System development: build the system to the design specification, develop the software, write the customer software, acquire the hardware, test of the new system. Module new test that is defined the test is part of system integration testing, test system as one unit, create manual of for users and operators. System implementation: installing the system, convert from old system to new system, then train and users, compile final documentation, testing, evaluating the new system. That is define the system implementations. Direct approach: direct installations of the new system which emulate discontinuities of the old existing system to refer the old approaches. This approach is become useful when these factors are considered. The new system doesn't no replace the existing system. Old system is regarded absolutely of no value. New system is compact and simple. Compact or simple होता है हमारे system and then the design of the new system is inexpensive with more advantage and the less risk involved. पैरेलल अप्रोच हमारा क्या डिफाइन करेगा, द सिलेक्टेड न्यू सिस्टम इज इंस्टॉल्ड एंड ऑपरेटेड विद द करंट सिस्टम. The method expensive because of duplicating the facilities and personnel to maintain both the system. In the approaches of the target data must be fixed when the operations of old cases and new one will operate on its own. Modular approach. This modular approach में क्या करता है? This is generally recognized. Pilot approach means that implementation of a system in organization is means basis. This has fewer advantages that is and merit. The risk of system failure is localized. The major problem can be easily identified and corrected before further implementation. Operating personnel can be trained before system is installed in a location. Phases in implementation. This approach is similar to module method, but it differs because of segmentation of system. However, note the organization it has advantage that are the rate of change in given organization can be totally minimized and the data processor resources can be acquired gradually over period of time. System is with certain disadvantages such as limited applicability, more cost incurred to develop interface with old system, and feeling the organization that system is never completed. Thank you so much for watching this video.